Welcome to Lesson 10. This week we're going to be introducing the concept of heartful giving, or the joy of giving. And the animal to introduce this concept is the cleaner fish. The cleaner fish is this beautiful little fish in our oceans that actually give to other fish by eating the dead skin and parasites of larger fish. So after you've introduced the cleaner fish and viewed the video of the cleaner fish eating the little parasites and dead skin of other fish, I'm inviting you to engage in a practice where you're going to be doing bookmarks using a template that you can find in the website below, and to have students think of a good thought or good wish that they would send someone. And so give 2 or 3 bookmarks and have the students think of what's something that they would like to wish a friend or a loved one, and to write that good wish on their bookmark, to color it. And subsequently to that, you're going to be asking permission from your local librarian at your school if your class can come in and hide their gifts in different books in the library. And the invitation is to have your students feel within themselves, how does it feel inside of you when we do a beautiful gift and we send these beautiful gifts without anyone knowing about it? A lot of times we think that by giving we become happy by the reaction of someone else, but the science has demonstrated that actually our happiness index is much higher when we give without anyone knowing about it. So have fun practicing giving and having the exploration of feeling your own happiness when you give. And I'll see you next week for a new adventure with InnerU. Bye-bye.